Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Safari privacy protections on iOS step by step clearly. Open your iOS device and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down and find Safari in the list of apps. Tap on Safari to access its settings. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. In this section, you will see various options related to privacy. First, check the option for Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This feature helps prevent advertisers from tracking your browsing across different websites. Next, look for the Block All Cookies option. If you want to enhance your privacy, consider turning this option on. Keep in mind that blocking all cookies may affect website functionality. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Privacy and Security section. You should see an option for Privacy Report. Tap on Privacy Report to view details on trackers. Here, you can see how many trackers Safari has blocked. This report provides insights into how Safari protects your privacy. Next, return to the main Safari settings page. Look for Request Desktop Website. You can choose to enable this for all websites if you prefer the desktop version. This can help safeguard your privacy further. Now, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll up to find the Screen Time option. Tap on Screen Time to check app usage and restrict content if needed. In Screen Time, you can set limits on specific apps for enhanced privacy. Finally, navigate back to Safari settings. Review all the settings to ensure they align with your privacy preferences. You have now successfully verified and adjusted your Safari privacy protections on iOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.